Hey guys, what's going on? It's Kevin Smacks and I'm back again with another tutorial. In today's video, I want to show you how you can adopt the Mthuda style of Amapiano in your songs. If you aren't part of this channel, I hope today I earn your subscription, and without any further ado, let's get down to the cookout. The first thing we're gonna go through is the drums. This should be something that's not too complex, that's not too difficult. You can create any drum progressions in whatever style that you want. You can make it unique to yourself and whatever. But there is one key thing that you need to know about them too when it comes to his drum progressions. He always puts in a head. I don't know how to describe it. I'm just going to show you. So the first thing that you need to do is to just reduce your tempo to the Amapiano range. Just gonna put it on 114. That should suffice. We're gonna start with our kick. I'm just gonna take this one, put it there, and I'm just gonna fill in 4 steps, just like that, and it should sound like something like this. Some percussions, some shakers. I'm just gonna come here. I'm just gonna listen through. Oh, let's use this one. Put it like this. And is it here? Like this? Okay. I'm thinking of changing the kick. I'm just gonna come here. Oh, I like that. By putting it here. Okay, cool. Go, Alright, so now put it here. Okay, that's more like it. I think that's good. Good. Bum 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 bum. Okay, let's take that. Okay, let's start it here also. Okay, like pum pum like pum. Put it right here. Let's see. Okay. Okay, cool. All right, I like that. Then let's add something else. Let's go back to okay. Let's take that one. Let's just copy it and just modify. Yeah, let's just copy it and just modify in some places. I'm just gonna one which is above. Okay, it goes together with this one. Select everything, duplicate, shift it there, and so yeah, as I said at the beginning that most of them Mthuda's beats they always have this head always playing, which is a deep house head. Okay, I'm just gonna come here to the sound kit. I'm just gonna look for my deep house. Just gonna go to heads and just gonna look for a good one. Right click, fill each 4 steps, then control shift, then right, then right. Let's try again. Okay, now go to properties, gonna fade it out. There we go. And this is our chord progression. Okay, cool. So now I've added a couple of sounds. I've added this string for texture from Purity, synth string 1. So I just play one note here, which is A sharp. Just one way. And of course, another sound that Mthuda likes to use is the tremolo signal when it comes to his soulful beat. So you can also try to adopt that, but use it with in a different way, not just the standard one note way. So the way that you can add variety like the Mthuda is to go to your chord progression and copy that and paste it into your tremolo signal. It should sound something like this. So when you're done with that, all you have to do is just mess around with it. So I did the same thing, and this is what I got. It adds a bit of soul, if I do say so myself. And I added 4 basses. The first one, it is this main bass line. It's pretty simple. I'm just playing D sharp, I'm playing F, I'm also playing G, and that's it. I also added another one. The third bass is different. I opened up a log drum preset and I cut off the attack like this. Just to add a bit of like variety. The last song that I added, it is this FM sub bass. So a sub bass which goes along with the log drums to give it much more texture. For this sub bass, I only added Fruity Studio Enhancer, which widens the sound. And that's about it, guys. And this is what I did for the beat. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed yet, I hope today I earn your subscription, and I would really appreciate it if you did subscribe. Until next time, cheers.